Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am back with a new video. Today I will let you know how to use ChatGPT in Excel. So this will be the complete tutorial that will help you to boost your Excel skills. So in this video, I am going to show you 10 amazing tricks that will make you advance in Excel with the help of ChatGPT. So if you are new on my channel, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notification of my new video. So let's get started. So our first trick is I have some names in the sheet, and you can see I want to find out reverse of these names with the help of ChatGPT. So before this, I will start ChatGPT in browser. So you can go to the browser and simply search here ChatGPT. So you can see ChatGPT. I have searched on Microsoft Bing. Even you can search on Google. You will get the first link of OpenAI, and you can just click on this. Simply you will get this start now option here, or even sometime you will get try it now. You can just click on that option and your chat gpt will open this. There is no requirement to log in this. You can use this chat gpt without logged in. So right now I want reverse of these names. So I will ask this to ChatGPT. So how we can ask this to ChatGPT? So one requirement is this, like we want or we are required to have one prompt. So what is prompt? So prompt is the input value that you will give to ChatGPT and you will get the output with this ChatGPT. So I have already typed one prompt here. I have 10 names in range A2 to A11. You can see A2 is the range for Rohit and A2 11 is the range for Devanshu. So I have typed here A2 to A11. Please provide reverse of this range in B column. So I'm going to select this prompt and I will type this prompt, or even you can do copy and paste. And also if you want to do practice with me right now, you can download this sheet from description and do practice with me right now, because I have 10 tricks. You can do practice with me right now. That will be very helpful for you. So I'm just going to paste this prompt and let's see what this chat gpt will give the result for this. And bingo, we are getting the result. To reverse the name in the range A to A11 and place them in column B, you can use the following formula in cell B2. And we are getting the formula, right? So simply we can copy this formula, or even you are getting the explanation of this formula. Right now, you can just go through with the application. You can just go through with explanation. I'm going to copy this code and simply I can paste this code in B2 cell. And let's see what will be the answer. We are getting the Devanshu here, right? Which is the last name. If I drag this to down, bingo, we are getting all the result with the help of this chat GPT. So this is how we can use this chat GPT. This is only the first trick and this is just a basic trick. I will just show you in our coming tricks how we can just elevate our skill with the help of chat GPT. So let's move to our next trick, which is right now I have some names and the total marks, and I want here pass and fails according to the criteria of 33 marks. Like if marks is greater than 33, then I want pass, else I want fail. So I have already typed one prompt here and I will ask this to ChatGPT. Let's see what ChatGPT will give the answer. So what is the prompt? I have total marks in cell B2. You can see in cell B2 I have the total marks. If marks is greater than 33, then I want pass, else I want fail. So I'm going to copy this and I will ask this to ChatGPT. Let's see what this ChatGPT will give the answer. So we are getting one formula and even we are getting explanation. You can just copy the code and paste it in this cell. Yes, press enter and we are getting fail. Why we are getting fail here? Because it is less than 27. That's why we are getting fail here. If I drag this to down, I will get pass and fail accordingly. Right. So let's move to our next trick, which is, so here I have employee code, name, salary, age. And what I want, so this is my prompt. You can see I have one criteria, salary less than 50,000 and age greater than 30, what I want in this scenario, I have salary on cell C2. You can see I have salary on cell C2 and age on cell D2. If salary is less than 50,000 and age is greater than 30, then I want selected, else I want not selected. So this is the prompt I've already created. You can just copy this prompt or even you can type in the chat GPT. Yes, I'm going to paste this in this chat GPT by pressing Ctrl Shift V, and let's see what this chat GPT will give the answer. So we are getting the formula and simply, okay, it is asking me you can do login to get more responses. So I'm going to copy this code. This is the formula. I'm going to paste it here in E2 cell, press enter. You're getting this selected. And if I drag this down, I will get all the result. So this is how you can use this chat GPT. So these are just a basic example. So let's move to our next trick, which is we have the employee ID, then we have full name, then we have age, then we have grouping. So right now I want to group all these ages in different groups, which are 18 to 25, 26 to 45, 46 to 60, and above 60 in cell D2. So I'm going to copy this prompt, just copy this prompt, or even you can type this prompt in ChatGPT. I'm going to paste this. Let's see what this ChatGPT will give the answer. So we are getting one answer. Let's see it will work or not. So just I'm going to copy this and I will paste this in D2 cell. So we are getting the grouping. If I drag this down, I will get all the groups, or even you can see which are above 60 age. We are getting above 60, and even you can match all the things. We are getting correct result. So sometimes if you are not getting correct result, you can just fine tune your prompt accordingly. So I'm just moving to next trick, which is, so we have employee ID, full name, and the department column, which is blank right now. And what I want, I have some department list here: IT, finance, sales, accounting, human resource, engineering, and marketing. So what is the prompt right now? I want to create a drop down list in this range. So you can see I have already created one prompt. I have list of department in range E2 to E8, which is this range. I want to create drop down list in cell C2 from that list. So just copy this prompt. I'm going to copy and I will ask this to ChatGPT. Let's see what this ChatGPT will give the answer. So it is just giving me the steps that you have to follow. So right now we are getting this select cell C2. C2 is my cell. Then go to data tab in the data tools group. Click on data validation. Data validation under the setting box. You can just read all this statement that is given by ChatGPT and you can do accordingly all the steps. So I will just showcase you. It is just telling me like you can go to data tab, click on data validation, and here you can go to, here you have the list option. Simply you can go to source and select this list like this and press OK. You are getting this drop down, right? So same thing it is given by ChatGPT. You can see allow in source box. You can just enter the range like this, and even you can select see the field to list and just type the range, click on OK. We are getting same thing. Just you can drag and you can just select all the range and press Ctrl D. So then you will get drop down list with the help of chat GPT. If you don't know how to create drop down list, you can just ask with this chat GPT. So this is how we can use this chat GPT. So this is also a basic part. Let's move to our next trick, which is I've already typed one prompt here. I want VBA code for highlighting active cell with yellow color automatically in specific sheet. So I will just copy this code and I will ask this to ChatGPT. I've already opened that ChatGPT new chat. Okay, I will already, okay, now I have already opened this new chat. I'm going to paste this and I will ask this to ChatGPT. Let's see what this ChatGPT will give the answer. So we are getting this answer and we are going to implement this. Okay. So simply what we have to do, Alt F11 and select this Microsoft Excel object and double click on that sheet where you want that code. So I'm going to copy this code and Alt F11. So I want to use this code in this sheet 11 trick 6 sheet. I'm going to double click on this and I will paste this code that is given by ChatGPT. So let's see it will work or not. Oh my God, bingo. So we are getting the result with the help of ChatGPT and it is giving me the highlight where I will put my cursor. So this is the power of this ChatGPT uses. I'm just moving to next trick, which is create monthly installment calculator by using VBA code in Excel. I've already given one more thing here, use automatically prompt boxes. What is the use of this? Just I will showcase after using this prompt. I will ask this to ChatGPT. Yes. So I will take a new chat and I will ask this to ChatGPT. Let's see what this chat GPT will give the answer. Okay, it is just showcasing me you can use the VBA code. Okay, Alt F11, insert module and paste this code. So this is the code, VBA code given by chat GPT. I'm going to copy and paste in the module. So for this, you can use Alt F11 first and go to insert, click on module, and here you can paste the code that is given by chat GPT. Just close this. Now let's see. So for using this, it also give me one description here. If you want to use this, what we have to do, okay, you can see how to run the code. After pasting the code into the VBA editor, close the editor by pressing Alt Q. Back in Excel, press Alt F8. So Alt F8 is used for this macros part. If you click on this Alt F8, you will move to this dialog box and simply we have to select this macro that is given by ChatGPT, the VBA code only. So simply we have to run this code and we are getting the prompt boxes. So this is the use of this use automatically prompt boxes. So simply we have to type one value here. So I will type here 1 lakh. Click on OK. This is the loan amount we have to give for installment calculation. Okay. Now we have to give the annual interest rate. So right now we will take example of 10%. Okay. Now we have to give enter the loan period in years. So I will type in years. Okay. I will give for 2 years. Just click on OK and you will get your annual interest calculated or monthly installment. You're getting this. And also total amount to be paid. This is the amount that you have to pay. In dollars we are getting right now because the coding is related to dollars only. So this is how you can create automation also with the help of ChatGPT. So I'm just moving to next trick, which is trick 8. So right now I have the simple scenario here. Here we have the raw data ABC 123 XY. Okay, in this, what we have some text and the numbers. So I want to extract only text with the help of ChatGPT. I will ask this question or this prompt to ChatGPT. I will take a new chat, paste this code, paste this prompt. Yes, and let's see what this ChatGPT will give the answer. We are getting one formula, text John, and it is longer formula. I'm going to copy this and I will paste this in B2 cell. Oh my God, we are getting ABC123 means that it is not the correct result. So let's see what will be the answer given by, or we have to fine tune our prompt right now. I want to extract only text value, text. So I will ask this only. Let's see. So it is just giving me this answer. I'm going to copy this. Let's see it will work or not. Oh my God, we are getting this. And if I drag this to all, we are not getting for all. So also I will give one more scenario here. Okay, I can just give examples also like this. I will copy this data and I will ask this to ChatGPT. I have data set in range A2 to A4 like this. So I will paste here that ABC123. This is just that I have copied here. I want to extract only text. I want to extract only text in cell be true. Let's see what this ChatGPT will give the answer. Okay, we are getting one new formula, I think so. I'm going to copy this and I will paste this in this cell. We are getting ABC. If I drag this to all, I will get the text only. So sometimes we have to fine tune our prompt to get the correct result or to get the correct output from this chat GPT. So this I want to showcase you. That's why I've given the simple prompt right now. So for this chat GPT, you have to be specific only. Like we have given one more prompt or we have fine tuned this prompt. That's why we are getting the correct result. But before we are not getting correct result because it is not fine tuned prompt. So you have to be specific with this chat GPT while using this chat GPT. So I'm just moving to next trick, which is okay. I have employee ID, full name, and annual salary. Okay, and I have that prompt. I have annual salary in C2 to C21. I want to highlight values greater than 1 lakh. So let's see what this chat GPT will give the answer. I'm going to paste this in this chat GPT. So it is just giving me the conditional formatting you can use. You can select the range, open conditional formatting, go to home. Okay, create a new rule, set the rule, define the condition. Fine, fine. So I will do step by step. Let's see. So first I will go to this home tab. Okay, first I have to select the range. So I will select the range, go to conditional formatting, click on new rule. Now what we have to do? Let's see again. Yes. Okay, we have create a new rule, set the rule. Okay, new formatting rule we can select. Okay, we have that thing or not? From the drop down, set the rule. Set the rule in the new formatting rule dialog box. Select format only cells that contain. So I have to select this one. And now we can give here in the format cell with section set the condition to cell value greater than. Okay, simply in this I can select greater than and I can give the value here 1 lakh. Yes, and I can choose the format. Simply I can do this. Simply we can select the color. Okay, I will select this orange color. Click on OK. Click on OK. Let's see. We're getting all the values which are greater than or anything else we have to find out. Yes, greater than 1 lakh, which are highlight with the help of conditional formatting. But we have used what? We have used here conditional formatting. Okay, right now I've just cleared this by mistake. So I will do it again. Just go to conditional formatting, click on new rule, click on format cells. Okay, greater than 1 lakh, format cell, and just click on OK. So we are getting this. Okay, why it is not, why it is changing again and again? Because we have already applied one conditional formatting or we have already given the scenario of highlight with anything else we have given. Okay, we have given this, right? So we have given this, so it will automatically remove all other formatting. Cells dot format conditions dot delete it automatically delete that. That's why it is deleting. Okay, that is fine. So now I'm just moving to last trick, which is the simple trick I have just given here. So you can use even this chat GPT and give this chat GPT a persona means that you can give as a Excel expert. So this is just a prompt. As an Excel expert, give me data set of 20 rows for practice of advanced conditional formatting with explanation. So I will ask this to chat GPT. So now there is no requirement to get data set from any tutor or anything else. You can just ask the chat GPT with the condition that you want or any formula you want to do practice. You want practice sets or data set, you can ask to ChatGPT. So I will ask this to ChatGPT. Let's see what this ChatGPT will give the answer. I'm going to paste this prompt. Yes. Bingo. We are getting the data set. You can see it is just loading. Yes. and it will give me 20 entries. Even you can type more, 20, 50,000. You can just generate more data set to do practice. Simply what you have to do, you can just copy this data set. Okay. And you can paste it as values, Control Shift V. So now you can do practice with this data set. So this is how you can use and elevate your skills with the help of ChatGPT. So I think so this lesson will be very helpful, and I have just covered much more scenarios in this videos so that you will learn how we can use or how we can elevate our skills with the help of ChatGPT. And now, if you stuck anywhere in Excel, you can just ask that problem to ChatGPT in any sense, like in any language. Also, you can use like Hindi, English. You can use. So, if you want also this practice sheets to do practice, you can download it from description. And if you have any other prompt in mind, or if you have any query in mind, you can just do comment in comment box, and we will ask that question in ChatGPT, and we will create that prompt. As a prompt engineer, we will create and we will ask this queries and different type of queries to ChatGPT. So if you like this video, don't forget to share this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.